Let's make this pheasant with a mushroom cream sauce.
This delicious wild game dinner is ready in less than 40 minutes and tastes as good as it looks. First, we'll create our seasoning mixture by combining a teaspoon each of salt, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and a half teaspoon of black pepper in a small bowl. Then we'll pat our pheasant breast dry using paper towels and season all over with the seasoning mixture. Then we'll dredge in flour and set them aside as we heat a skillet over medium-high heat. We'll melt 2 tablespoons of butter, add in our pheasant, and cook them for 2 to 2.5 minutes per side. Once that time is up, we'll remove the pheasant from the pan. Then, in the same pan, we'll add 2 more tablespoons of butter and let it melt. We'll add in sliced onions and mushrooms and cook them down for about 4 minutes just until they're starting to become tender. Then we'll add in minced garlic, cook it until it's fragrant, and sprinkle flour over top. We'll mix that for 1 to 2 minutes just until the vegetables are coated nicely in flour. Then we'll pour chicken broth, lemon juice, and Dijon mustard into the pan and let that come to a simmer. We'll let that simmer for a few minutes until the mixture reduces slightly, then add in heavy cream and Parmesan cheese. We'll bring that back to a simmer, then once it's simmering, we'll add back in our pheasant and cook it until the pheasant is fully cooked. Serve over mashed potatoes, rice, or even pasta and garnish with parsley.